Oh, that'll do. That'll do nicely. A 4 to start. Oh, he's top-edged this. That'll do nicely. A top-edge reverse sweep for 6. He's gone big over long on. He'll get 4. Oh, that's a slower ball. That's 4 as well. Should have stayed where he was. Might have been a better effort. 3 gone, 27 for no wicket. Oh, Bolden, straight through him. He's got a whole box of tricks, Mujib. And Karl Kutzer walks through the shot, and he pays the price. Oh, is there a bit of bat in that? Oh, no, there's not, says Kumar Dharmasena. It's a first baller. Oh, now. Yes, Kumar Dharmasena. They're all hopping mad out there for Mujib. Oh, what a take. It's all going Afghanistan's way. He's moved like a gymnast.
Chance here again. He's done a lot of running around, but wouldn't get that, Rashid Khan. It's been very far and few for Scotland, but a good 6.
Yeah!
Cleaned up. It's going to be the Mujibur Rahman night. He is not holding back at all.
Yeah!
He's gone again. When you can strike like that, why even bother taking a run out? 5 wickets to Mujibur Rahman. Gone reverse again. This time he connects well.
Yeah!
One more. That's Rashid Khan. The accuracy.
Oh, that's gonna be close. It's gonna be out. Another one. Bowling. And that is that. Afghanistan with an absolute rout here. A venue they love. They win by a huge margin. 130 runs. It's the lowest total for Scotland in T20 internationals. And boy, what a start for Afghanistan.